tongues and say certain sounds, please join us in these slogans, because part of our learning and unlearning is connecting to each other's heritage. That's it. Nice one, brother. Shanti ke liye haath milao. Shanti ke liye haath milao. Which means for the sake of peace, shake our hands, come together. This is the only way, if we unite, that we are going to win. And we will win. But this is part of the process.
Great Britain, I'd like to congratulate the South Asian Solidarity Campaign for quickly organizing very promptly this much needed opposition to the war with the slogan, "No war between India and Pakistan, we stand for peace." We are gathered here only a short distance away from Caxton Hall, where our great martyr, Udham Singh, who founded the Indian Work Association, Great Britain, when they asked him who you are, he said, "I am Mohammed Azad Singh." We are fighting for everybody, irrespective of religious background. And what did he fight for? What did Bhagat Singh fight for? They fought for peace amongst our people, fighting for a common cause to create a society in the Indian subcontinent, a society for peace against communal conflict, a society for the well-being of the majority, not for a handful of minority like the 150 companies in India who are allied with the warmongering industry to fuel this kind of state-sponsored terrorism and conflict between countries.
Inqilab Zindabad! Inqilab Zindabad! हम क्या चाहते हैं? आजादी! हम क्या चाहते हैं? आजादी! हम क्या चाहते हैं? आजादी! Thank you, everyone.
Okay, I'm Kalpana from South Asia Solidarity Group, and we're here today to demonstrate for peace against the war which has been going on for the last few days between India and Pakistan. The ceasefire has now been announced, which we're really happy about. At the same time, as we've been saying today, we're also here to say that we want a real, lasting and meaningful peace. We're also asking why it took so long when the people of the region want peace, why the governments had to wait for Donald Trump to mediate in order to be able to announce a ceasefire, which was so much needed. And also to say that longer term, we want to see self-determination for the people of Kashmir, because only that way can this ongoing issue be really resolved, and can we see the real peace which we in the diaspora and the people of the region really want and need. Well, I mean, we've got people here, you know, whose families are from Pakistan, India, Kashmir, Bangladesh, Balochistan, and many other parts of the region. And, you know, it's really a show of unity. It's very heartening to see this because, you know, there are forces which are trying to divide our communities. We saw the violence in Leicester in 2022, which was really generated by, you know, the deliberate interventions of the Hindu supremacist organizations who are very closely linked to the Modi government in India. So it's a longer struggle to fight against hate and fight against fascism, really, which, you know, in India we're seeing ethnic cleansing of Muslim communities. We are seeing deepening and accelerating oppression of Dalits. We're seeing, you know, further intensification of the suppression of the Kashmiri people. So it's an ongoing issue. We're also concerned, as several speakers have said, about India's very close relationship now with Israel, and the fact that, you know, even in this war we saw Elbit drones being used, which were actually manufactured in Britain.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Anik and I belong from Muzaffarabad, Azad Kashmir, and I just came here from Pakistan yesterday after 4 times of rescheduling of my flight. Today I'm here because we Kashmiris want peace. We do not have anything to do with Pakistan and India's war and their stupidity on both sides. Due to Pakistani army, Kashmiris in Poonch and Uri and Srinagar, Udhampur, Jammu were very badly suffered, and from Indian atrocities, whole of Kashmir is suffering, and it didn't started just week or 2 weeks before. It is happening from like 8 decades nearby, and it needs to shut down. And we want everything to be resolved by peace. We don't want war. So we Kashmiris don't have anything against India's. We are just protesting against the state of India, and it's very nice to see a lot of Indian sane mind people coming here and raising their voice against this racial supremacist Hindutva ideology that Modi is imposing in India, and which is giving bad name to whole India and Hindus. We are against that, and it's really nice to see a lot of Hindus and Indian peoples which have very nice and good ideology, and they all want to live in the peace. We Kashmiris think that the long-lasting peace of South Asia can only be achieved if all the parties come to the table and solve the Kashmir issue peacefully. If it didn't for Kashmir issue, this kind of violence will never gonna happen. Thank you.